This is how to calculate income tax for the SQE. If you're an SQE student or you want to be a lawyer, make sure to save this video so you don't lose it. So to figure out how to actually calculate income tax for the SQE, we're going to use the SRA mock question on income tax using Future Solicitor's resources to help us answer it. So we can see from the question, we have a woman who is a partner in a dog grooming business, and we're trying to figure out how much income tax she actually has to pay. As we know from Future Solicitor, the first step to calculating income tax is to calculate the total income. So we're told here that her share of the partnership profits in the tax year in question is £38,000. As we know, thanks to Future Solicitor, partners in a partnership pay income tax on their share of the profits from the partnership. Therefore, the £38,000 is what we are looking at. Now, be careful not to fall into the trap. This is why it's so important to read the question, as many of these MCQs will try to catch you out, just like this one. It tells us here that she made a profit of £10,000 from the sale of her pet shop. However, this is completely irrelevant to what we're doing. We're calculating income tax. That is a capital gain, so we can just ignore that completely. So we have the total income at £38,000. Future Solicitor then tells us that the next step is to deduct any tax reliefs. Here we can see she has an outstanding loan at 10% interest, and interest on qualifying loans can be deducted from the total income to reduce the income tax charge. So 10% of £10,000 is £1,000. So that takes us down to £37,000, which is just within the basic rate band for income tax. Now we deduct our personal allowance of £12,570, which takes us down to £24,430. As we have no savings or dividend income, we go straight to calculating the charge now. So £24,430 times by 20% gives us £4,886 as our income tax charge. So let's check the answer. And yep, we're spot on. As you can see, as long as you follow through the steps in a logical order and break it down very simply, it is possible to tackle income tax in the SQE. You can check out Future Solicitor via the link in my bio. Make sure to use code Jay'sLawLife for a 10% SQE1 discount. Check out the caption for full details and follow for more SQE content.